We're at this free campsite in South Australia called Apela Springs. It's about an hour away from Port Augusta. It has a toilet, tables and chairs. It's got a beautiful view. There's about 6 separate campsites in this top area, each with their own bin and space for a fire pit. There's trees everywhere, so there's lots of shade. You're just not allowed fires between November and April. There's lots of space to run around, beautiful rock views, nice green hills in the background. This is the fire Rowan just made with our beautiful view of the rolling hills. There's just a little downhill walk to this beautiful area with these rocks and a flowing river. It's quite steep. You can also camp in this bottom section as well, but there's just no bathrooms down here. There are bins and picnic tables, but yeah, and it's not very flat down this way either. The top one would definitely be preference, but if that one's full, then you can definitely camp down here as well. This is the beautiful creek with these rock formations either side. And there's these bright orange rocks just over to the left here, which look incredible as well. Such a beautiful free camp. I've never seen anything like this at a free campsite where you don't have to pay. So incredible. The water is also really clear as well. You can see the bottom, so if it wasn't -2 degrees like it feels right now, you could probably go for a swim. There's only one other person here and it just feels really cool and secluded, and you feel really alone in nature, which is the best feeling. We love these free camps as opposed to rest areas, so yeah. How pretty.